Flat feet means no arch, when the entire sole of foot touches or nearly touches the ground on standing. Person with flat feet experiences foot pain particularly in the heel or arch area. Other than that, flat feet causes many other issues such as plantar fasciitis, shin splint, knee, hip and low back pain, posterior tibial tendon dysfunction, arthritis and many others. To correct it, first thing you have to do is plantar fascia stretching. Best way to do is ice bottle stretch. For this, take a small bottle and fill it with the water and keep it in a freezer. When it become ice, take it out and keep it in a socks. Then put it under the sole and roll it forward and backward. Move it along with some pressure, so you will get the plantar fascia stretch along with the cold therapy. To stretch the plantar fascia, you can use a tennis ball also. Take a tennis ball and keep it under the sole and move it forward and backward. You can use any other cylindrical things to stretch your fascia. Next, you have to do some exercises to strengthen the arch making muscles in your foot. First is toe flexion. For this, you have to stand and fold all your toes forcefully and hold it for 5 seconds. Then relax and repeat this. Next exercise, make few small paper balls like this and put it on the floor. Then lift them with your toes and keep it in a particular space. For the next exercise, you have to scrunch a towel with your toes. Make sure you should not lift or move your heel. Use only your toes to scrunch the towel. After 1 or 2 weeks, when this exercise becomes easy, then you can keep some weight on your towel. Here I am using 2 half kg weights on my towel and repeat the same exercise. In next exercise, you have to use only the outer border of your sole to scrunch a towel. Again, make sure don't move or lift your heel. And after 1 or 2 weeks, when this exercise becomes easy, you have to keep some weight on your towel and do the same exercise. For the next exercise, you have to sit comfortably with back support and both legs straight in front of you. Then wrap a TheraBand around your foot and secure it at outer side of the exercising foot. Then pull the band inward with your foot and hold it for 5 seconds. Next thing you have to do in flat feet is calf muscle stretching. To stretch the calf muscle, you have to keep your foot like this and with straight knee move your body forward and hold it for 30 seconds and repeat 3 times on both sides. In next stretching, you have to do the same thing, but this time your knee should bend around 20 degrees. For flat foot, you should use motion control shoes, so it will control the inward movement of the foot during exercises. You can also use some insole which is easily available for flat foot and fix it in your footwear.